With new Type to Siri option, the Siri will answer us just by showing us the text, but we can still activate the voice answers like before. So how can we change that? First, let's test the current state. So I click on the Apple AI icon here, and now I'll type to Siri to see the response. What's the time in Bangkok? And she's just showing me the time. Let's try out with the voice response. First, head to System Settings, search for Apple Intelligence. On the list here on the left, it should be next to the Control Center. And from here we can now head to Voice. From here we'll be able to select voices and accents to match your needs, but also we can activate the voice responses. To do that, click on Siri Responses and then turn on the voice feedback. Done. And let's try again.
It's 5:13 in Warsaw, Poland.
And this time not only show me the answer, but also say it out loud because we turn on the voice feedback. Alright, so that's how you do it. You can still get the voice responses with the new AI enhanced Siri. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.